Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Well, getting PMP certified might just be the ticket you need. Imagine having the skills and knowledge to manage projects successfully. And not only that, but being recognized for it with the most important industry-recognized certification for project managers worldwide. It's no wonder that it is the most popular professional certification in existence. As many as over 1.2 million people already hold the PMP certification. But wait, there is more. Obtaining the PMP certification can have a massive impact on your job prospects, your earning potential, your professional credibility, and can demonstrate your commitment to your field. So, if you're ready to learn more about the PMP certification process, then hey, you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome. Let's learn in detail about the PMP certification process. Alright, so let's get started with the first step of the process, applying for the exam. Now, yes, we know what you're thinking, paperwork, but trust us, it's worth it. The first thing you need to do is create a PMI account, fill in the application form. Don't worry, we've got your back. For detailed information on how to fill in the application form, just check the link in the description below. PMI Audit and Payment. Once you've submitted your application, PMI will review it and let you know within 5 to 7 working days if it's been approved or rejected. But wait, there is a chance that you might be audited. And it's not as scary as it sounds. PMI randomly selects applicants for the audit process to verify their testimonials. If you are selected for an audit, PMI asks for certificates that support your work experience and education. Once PMI approves your application, you become eligible to schedule the PMP exam for up to 1 year. The best part is that within that year, you can make up to 3 attempts at the exam. So start studying and get ready to pay the exam fees. The fee is $555 for non-PMI members and $405 for PMI members. Once you've paid the fees, PMI will send you an eligibility code through email so that you can use to schedule the PMP exam. Now look, we know it might seem like a lot, but we're here to guide you through the process. And if you have been audited before, we want to hear about your experience. Share it with us in the comment box, and who knows, it might just help someone else. Now stay tuned as we'll be exploring exam preparation in depth, preparing for the exam. You're in for an exciting ride as we delve into how to prepare for the PMP exam. The Project Management Institute, PMI, has set the standard for professional project managers, and becoming certified through their PMP exam is an accomplishment in itself. But how do you prepare for such a rigorous test? Well, first, get to know the exam content outline and PMI's reference book, the PMBOK guide. You'll need a good understanding of these materials to ace the exam. To learn more about exam prep, just go and check out the link in the description. But wait, there is more. Enrolling in the PMP certification training by reputed ATPs like KnowledgeHut upgrades will give you an edge. With expert instructors who have cleared the PMP exam, you'll receive 35 contact hours of learning, live instructor sessions, self-paced learning, mock tests, exam simulators, study plans, and practice questions. And for an inside look at how one of our training program participants passed the exam, just go and click in the description below. Appearing for the exam. Now let's talk about the exam itself. The new PMP exam pattern focuses on 3 domains of project management: people, process, and business environment. Each domain accounts for a specific percentage of the exam, and there are 180 questions of various types, like single response, multiple response, hot area, drag and drop, and fill in the blank. The exam lasts for 230 minutes and includes 2 10-minute breaks in the computer-based exam. No scheduled break is provided for the paper-based exam. And did you know that the passing score for the PMI exam isn't set in stone? No. The scoring model is periodically reviewed by PMI scoring experts to ensure valid assessment of knowledge and skills. And that's why we recommend aiming for a score of 80% or higher to ensure you pass with flying colors. Passing the PMP exam isn't easy, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to acing it. Schedule the exam date and stick to your study plan. Consistency is key, so avoid distractions and focus on your goals. The more practice questions you expose yourself to, the higher your chances of success. When attending a computer-based exam, arrive 30 minutes early so that you have time to relax before you start the exam. Stay focused during the exam and analyze your choices before selecting an answer. If in doubt, mark it for review and analyze it again before finalizing. The preliminary assessment result will tentatively indicate the pass or fail status. And the best part, well, you'll get the preliminary assessment result immediately after submitting all your answers in the computer-based exam. Within a week or two, you'll receive an official confirmation from PMI about your pass or fail status through email. And 2 to 4 weeks after that, you'll receive the much coveted PMP certificate. If you have any tips or tricks to share, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Certification maintenance and renewal. Now let's get into the most exciting part of the process, maintaining your PMP certification. After all the hard work you put in to earn your certification, the next step is to ensure that it remains valid and current. The validity period of your PMP certification is 3 years from the day you pass the exam. To maintain your certification, all you need to do is accumulate 60 professional development units or PDUs every 3 years. The formula for earning PDUs is simple. 1 hour of learning is equal to 1 PDU. And you can earn PDUs in 2 categories, education and giving back to the profession. Under the education category, you need to earn at least 35 PDUs and accrue them under all the sections of the PMI talent triangle: ways of working, power skills, and business acumen. This can be achieved by attending instructor-led training, PMI chapter meetings, self-guided online courses, and more. On the other hand, you can earn up to 25 PDUs by giving back to the profession, and this can be done by volunteering, writing books, writing articles, or other training materials, mentoring a PMP aspirant, and many more. The process of renewing your PMP certification is simple too. You need to add the PDUs to your PMI account with relevant documents confirming the number of hours worked. As your 3-year renewal gets closer, you'll receive an email from PMI to log the PDUs. If you're a PMI member, you need to enter the details of 60 PDUs in the Continuing Certification Requirements (CCR) system and pay the certificate renewal fee of $60. A non-PMI member will have to pay a fee of $150. So it's always a good idea to be a PMI member since you get access to a lot of resources, local and global communications, opportunities to grow and give back, and many more. Failure to earn 60 PDUs at the end of the cycle will result in the suspension of your credential for a year. If you do not accumulate the required PDUs within the period of suspension, your PMP certification will become invalid and you will need to start the process of certification again with a new application. At KnowledgeHut Upgrad, we offer the most comprehensive PMP certification training program that guarantees exam success. So, if you want to become a PMP certified professional, don't forget to check us out. We'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you do find this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And hey, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Bye-bye.